Hello everyone, this is Handmade. In this video, I will put this yellow mosquito made of clay on the windowsill and leave it there under the scorching sun for a few hours. I'm just curious to see what will happen to the clay car if I leave it under the sun. But before that, as usual, a couple of beautiful shots of this mosquito. Nothing good will happen if you leave the car in the sun. But still, why not do such an experiment? How much will it actually melt? So, I made this mosquito out of modeling clay, some dark sculpting clay, and regular colored clay. I sculpted it a year ago, and of course, right now it doesn't look as good compared to the new models I've made in my recent videos. That's why I decided to put this one out in the sun for a long time. After that, I plan to do a crash test on it when it gets really soft. Basically, I'll see if we can do it or not. The model is detailed. I highlighted the bottom and everything else as usual, and also made the engine. So, in order to put the car on the windowsill, I made a special platform, and on it, this very Camaro will stand and melt under the sun. I also decided to make the owner of this very Camaro, who will be sitting next to it, drinking his coffee and also playing World of Tanks on his laptop. Well, basically, I've set everything up. We can start. Let's go. Well, while the Camaro is melting, let's launch a paper airplane. I mean, why not? Honestly, the weather may not be good for flying since it's windy. Alright, let's launch it. It flew somewhere into the trees. I quickly built another small plane. Let's launch it again. The car has been sitting in the sun for 5 hours. Of course, it was cloudy, the sun kept hiding and then coming out again, so there wasn't direct exposure all the time. The temperature was 28 degrees. The car has sagged noticeably and the wheels bent from heat and weight. It's so soft right now, you could easily crush it in your hands. The hood has also sagged since there was no reinforcement there. The roof has also sagged a lot. Also, the seats in the cabin have tilted backward. Well, basically, those are all the changes with the car. Still, I'll go ahead and do the crash test. Right now it's soft, so it should bend well. I nearly forgot to show you what happened to the little table. It fell down right after I started recording. It's all because of the weak leg construction. Everything will be as usual. I'll be accelerating the remote-controlled car along the track I made. And at the end of the track, it crashes into the Mosquito, since the Mosquito is very soft. Probably 1 or 2 collisions will be enough to completely break it. To be continued, to be continued. A very hard collision, right in the middle. Because of the strong impact, the rear part just got crushed and became flat, and in the front the hit was right in the center. The engine is just smashed to pieces. One seal is still in place, and also because of the hood, the roof got bent. These are the damages it ended up with. Yeah, just look at this car. It's just been crushed. Everything's pushed into the cabin. It was a strong collision. The car gained speed, and due to its weak structure, the Camaro crumpled into the cabin. The roof somehow flipped over to the other side. I don't even know how that happened. It turned out pretty rough, of course. And after all that, what happened to him? Camaro goes to be stored on the shelf where all the broken plasticine cars are kept. That's the video. I hope you liked it. Subscribe to the channel if you're interested in my work. You can also join my VKontakte group where I post the sculpting process of my models, and follow my Instagram to stay up to date with everything. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye everyone.